Hey tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to build the next big thing with AI? The Gemini API Developer Competition is here, and it's your chance to shine. Google is calling all developers to create incredible apps using the Gemini API. Whether you're looking to make a real difference or just have some serious fun, this competition is for you. With a grand prize that'll make your jaw drop and a total of $1 million in cash prizes up for grabs, this is one contest you don't want to miss. Speaking of jaw-dropping, the best overall app will win a custom electric 1981 DeLorean. That's right, you could be cruising in style while showcasing your coding skills. But wait, there's more. The competition has multiple categories for you to shine in. 1. Innovation Awards, Most Impactful App, $300,000, Most Useful App, $200,000, and Most Creative App, $200,000. 2. Technology Awards, $50,000 each for the best Flutter, Android, Web, AR Core, Firebase, and game apps. 3. People's Choice Award, the crowd favorite wins a coveted Gemini API Developer Trophy. Joining is easy. 1. Build an app with the Gemini API. 2. Create a demo video about your app. 3. Publish and submit it to the competition. Remember, the deadline for submissions is August 12, 2024, so mark your calendars. Your app will be judged on remarkability, how well it showcases AI. Creativity, is it original and innovative? Usefulness, who does it help and how? Impactfulness, does it make a positive change? Execution, is it well-made and bug-free? So, are you ready to push the boundaries of AI and potentially win big? Head over to the Gemini API Developer Competition website for full details and start building today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech competition updates. Happy coding!